Okay, Mr. Satya, how did you do this question? Mr.
Yes,
Satya?
sir. Sir. So under 2m plus 8 equals 15 minus 8.
Okay.
Then I
2m
got
plus
the answer.
2m
What, sir?
plus 2m plus 8 is equal to 15 minus 8.
Yeah.
Okay. Where did this minus 8 come from?
Sir, the 8 next to 2m, I cancelled it and I took it next to 15. So it got minus because it was plus before.
Mr. Satya, this minus 8 needs to be added on both sides. Have you understood this or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir, my equation is 2m plus 8 is equal to 15. I want this 8 to disappear. So what do? I add minus 8 on both sides. Have you understood what I have done?
Yes, sir.
So what I want is this 8 should disappear. The only way this 8 can disappear is if you add a minus 8 on both sides. Am I clear or is there a confusion still?
No, sir. Understood.
So this will cancel. 2m is equal to 15 minus 8 is 7. Therefore, m is equal to Mr. Satya?
7 upon 2.
7 upon 2. So, Mr. Satya, see, if you
Yes.
write this, if you write it like this, 2m plus 8 is equal to 15. 2m plus 8 is equal to 15 minus 8. That is incorrect. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
See, the point is, the rules are simple. Add on both sides. Subtract on both sides. Multiply on both sides and divide by both sides. Divide on both sides. Have you understood what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So for example, if I have m by 8 is equal to 5, how will I calculate the value of 5? The value of m? Mr. Satya.
Yes, sir. One second.
No, you can
You
just,
will multiply.
yes,
You would
yes,
take 8 on both sides, multiply 8 on both sides.
shabash. So you will multiply 8 on both sides. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Why will you multiply 8 on both sides?
So we can cancel the 8 below. So it will be easy.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So for example, if I have 8m is equal to 5, then what should I do?
Then you are going to have to multiply 8 on both sides. So then the.
Beta, if I multiply 8 on both sides, this is what it will become.
Okay, so sorry, divide it. Divide it on both.
What should I divide?
8.
8. Why 8? Because this
To
will
find
cancel.
the m's value. Yeah, for cancellation and to find the m's value.
Is there a confusion?
No, sir.
See, the rules are very simple. You can take any number. You have to add, subtract, multiply, divide on both sides. The same number. The same number. Mr. Sarthak, any confusion?
No, sir.
So 2m plus 8 is equal to 15. Now, once you have done enough amount of practice, what I'll start saying is that this 8 will go on this side. So this is equal to 15 minus 8. Because this 8 has gone on this side, nothing remains here. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, any confusion?
Sir.
Once we have done enough practice, what I'll start saying is that this plus 8 will go on this side. Therefore, and then what I'll say is this plus, when it changes the equal to, when it crosses the is equal to, this plus becomes minus. Similarly, this 2 is multiplied on this side, but when it crosses the is equal to, it becomes 7 divided by 2. Is there any confusion?
Yes, sir. But then we can also say like this, 2m equals 15 minus 8. So like that also is okay.
2m?
2m equals 15 minus 8.
Yes, this is what I've written.
Okay, sir.
So after this step will come this step. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, any confusion?
No, sir.
So for example, once you are comfortable, what I'll start saying is that this minus 3, when it crosses the is equal to, see, it has crossed the is equal to. It was minus on this side. Therefore, it will become a plus on this side. Have you understood the logic? A positive number, when it comes to this side, it becomes negative. Negative, when it crosses is equal to, becomes plus. A number which is multiplied becomes divided on the sides. And a number which is being divided, when it crosses the is equal to, it becomes multiply. We will do questions, we'll do practice, don't worry about it. I'm just trying to tell you this is the next step that we'll be taking. This will be the next step. We'll be doing a lot of practice about equations, so don't worry about it. So minus 3 comes on this side, it becomes plus. So 10w becomes 48. Now see, 10 is multiplied on this side. It is 10 multiplied by w. So when this 10 crosses is equal to, it comes on this side, Mr. Satya, it will become multiply becomes divide.
Yes.
So 10 will be divided on this side. So this is what it will become. Any confusion, Mr. Sarthak?
No, sir.
See, currently what we are doing is 10w minus 3 is equal to 45. So what we do is we add, Mr. Satya, what do we add on both sides?
What, sir?
What should I add on both sides so that minus 3 disappears?
Some minus 3 on both sides.
Beta, minus 3 nahi, plus
Sorry,
3.
plus 3.
I want this to disappear. And what should I divide on both sides? Mr. Satya.
10. 10. Sir.
Have you understood?
Yes.
Mr. Sarthak, is there a confusion?
No, sir.
And what you need to understand is that the final answer shouldn't be left like 48 by 10. You should simplify this further. This should become 24 by 5. Is there any confusion? Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Great, sir. Mr. Satya, what did you do here?
So I did 4x equals 7 minus 5.
Okay.
So the answer is 2 upon 4. It can be 1 upon 4.
Beta, this is not the final answer, 2 by 4. If it has to, it always has to be simplified.
Okay, sir.
If you write the answer as 2 by 4, high chance your teacher will take off some marks. So it should be 1 by 2. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, what did you do here?
I did 5W equals 19 minus 11, which is 8 upon 5.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So, see, equations is very important topic. So I'll be sending you this sheet. It has a lot of other questions also. So please try to finish that. I'll send you this sheet today. So this will be your homework. This will be your homework. This also is your homework. Actually, what you can do is, I think we had done these questions. You can try to do these again. I think what you can do is, you can finish this. Only finish this. Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
We have done this before, but I want you to finish this before next lecture. I think we'll do these equations in the next lecture. Okay. But we'll be doing a lot of practice of these equations because equations becomes very critical. Okay, Mr. Satya, next question, E part.
So 8x equals 30 minus 2,
Therefore, x is equal to.
28 upon 8.
So the final answer would be. Mr. Sarthak, any
Okay,
confusion?
sir.
No, sir.
Yes, Mr. Satya.
4x equals 3 minus 11.
Therefore, x is equal to
Minus 2.
minus 8 upon 4 is equal to minus 2. Shabash, very nice. Mr. Sarthak, any confusion?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, G part.
6W equals 2 minus 20.
Therefore, W is equal to.
18 upon.
Therefore, the final answer would be.
1 second, I'm doing that.
Mr. Sarthak, what will be the final answer?
6 upon 2.
Huh?
So minus 3, right?
Yeah, minus 3. Mr. Satya,
Okay, sir.
Mr. Satya, any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. Mr. Satya, H part.
2W equals minus 6 plus 9.
Therefore, W is equal to.
3 upon 2.
Shabash, very nice. Very nice, Mr. Satya. Excellent. Okay, I part. Mr. Satya.
3C equals minus 13 minus 8.
Therefore, C is equal to.
Minus 7.
Minus 21 upon 3 is equal to minus 7. Shabash, very nice. Mr. Sarthak, any confusion?
No, sir.
Great, sir. So the more practice you do, the better it will be. Because most of the confusion in maths happens due to equations. Equations is very critical. Mr. Satya, how did you do this part? J part?
Oh, I did, sir. I did x upon 3 plus 6 equals 5. So then I did 3 into minus 5. So I got the answer as minus 15.
Mr. Sarthak, what did you do?
So x upon 3 plus 6 minus subtract I added minus 6 on both sides.
Shabash, shabash, very nice.
And then the 1 became minus 5. So I multiplied 3 on both sides. So answer is minus 15.
Mr. Satya, any confusion?
No,
Mr. Sarthak, very nice. Mr. Sarthak, how did you do this question?
So I added minus 8 on both sides.
Shabash, shabash. Very nice. Mr. Satya, any confusion?
no, sir.
Okay. Mr. Satya, after this, what did you do?
So the L100,
Yeah. After this,
uh,
what should I do? Mr. Satya,
multiply
by what?
minus 5 into 2.
अरे -5 क्यों करेंगे भाई? What do you want to eliminate?
2,
What do you want to eliminate?
2,
Shabash. So what should you multiply on both sides?
2.
Beta, any confusion?
No, sir.
Whatever you want to eliminate, just have a look at what do you want to eliminate.
Okay.
Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, any confusion?
No, sir.
So just have a look at the question and try to understand what are you trying to eliminate. Mr. Satya, what should I do here? Mr. Satya.
Yes, sir. I did n upon 8 equals minus 1 minus 7.
I'm sorry, this part. What should I do?
Yes, m upon 8
Yeah,
equals minus 1 minus 7.
shabash. So m by 8 is equal to -8. Then what should I do?
Then you have to multiply it by 8. So the answer is minus 64.
Shabash, shabash. Just have a look at the equation and figure out what are you trying to eliminate. And to eliminate that, do you need to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? That is all that you need to decide. It is not very difficult. Mr. Satya, how should I do this?
1 upon 2x equals 15 minus 3.
Shabash.
Then it will be 12 into 2 equals 24.
Mr. Sarthak, any confusion?
No, sir.
See, we'll keep doing a lot of practice because this equations requires a lot of practice. In homework also, if you do practice, you will understand the things faster and better. Mr. Satya, what should I do in n part?
1 upon 4m equals 2 plus 7.
Shabash.
Then it will be 9 into 4, which is 36.
Shabash. Very nice. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, what about this? What should I do here?
1 upon 3x equals minus 6 plus 2.
Okay. After this?
And then minus 4 into 3 equals minus 12.
So the answer is?
Minus 12.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So your homework is this part. I'll be sending you this PDF. Exercise 8.2 is your homework. If you want to do, you can do question number 4 also. You can do this also if you want. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Satya, we have done this before.
Yes, sir, I remember.
Yeah, so you shouldn't face any problem. So do this. If you want, you can do this also. And in the next lecture, we'll solve these equations.